but I will say this. What we have done is we, including the NIH, has supported a research program with the utopian vision of preventing all pandemics. The way the research program has worked is that we fund people, EcoHealth Alliance once upon a time, to go out into the wild places, partner with foreign countries, including China, go out in the wild places, collect the pathogens in the bat caves or wherever.
Picking up bat droppings.
Right, so that we can catalog all of the viruses and pathogens out there.
Right.
Even if it's very unlikely that many humans will come in contact with those things. Bring those viruses and pathogens into labs, often in city centers, often not necessarily in high security environments. Do research on them to see if it's easy to manipulate them and cause them to become more transmissible among humans. And the idea is, if we can identify those viruses and pathogens that are more likely to make the leap into humans, then we can prepare in advance. We can create vaccines and antivirals or whatever before they make the leap in the population, so that when they make the leap, we are already ready.
Right.
There's two major problems with that. One of it working, which it doesn't, and then one of its safety, which it's not. First, if you make a study of a pathogen you found in the wild places that have never really ever infected humans before, and you create vaccines or whatnot to combat it, when they actually make the leap, evolution still works, right? It's not going to be the same virus you cataloged. These viruses evolve
very quickly
all the time. And so you have a snapshot from 10 years ago when you went to the bat cave, but you don't know what they look like now. And the vaccines and things that you've produced to try to prepare, you've never tested them on human populations before because no human had ever gotten the disease.
Okay.
So this is a foolhardy way you pretend to yourself that we protected ourselves against a pandemic when we haven't. Second, the actual conduct of this research is very dangerous. And I think it's very likely that the COVID pandemic was the result of this kind of research agenda. Because it's not possible to guarantee, even in high security labs.
Are you prepared to say that the preponderance of evidence now is that COVID arose from a leak from a gain of function lab in Wuhan?
Yes.
Is that the position?
That's my position.
Okay.
And I believe it's also the position of various intelligence agencies of the government, as well as other governments as well that have looked into this.